Hello, children. Welcome to today's music class. In today's class, our topic is voice training. Our topic is voice training. What is voice training? Voice training is a continuous exercise we do to position our vocal cord for proper singing. Let us look at some qualities of voice or singing. Number one, breathing. Breathing is the ability to hold or sustain a note without any deviation or crack. For example, let us sustain note A for 4 beats. A. You can repeat the exercise with other musical alphabets such as A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And number two, pitch matching. Pitch matching is the ability to connect the note with the right pitch. Example, do, mi. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoy the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.